I'm going to introduce him to you guys. He's a proud OG. Come on.
My name is Gursimran Singh and I hail from Ropar, a district of Punjab, which is 40 km north from Chandigarh. And I'm coming from a joint family. And then coming to my hobbies, I love to play cricket and then go bike riding, do photography, and also with my friends I do traveling a lot. Well, I have completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Arts from Punjab University, Chandigarh, with 65%. And I am serving as a constable in Punjab Police since 2022.
From khaki uniform, he is going to wear olive green's uniform. Very proud of him. Very proud of him. Good.
I
So
have
tell them how how this olive greens training has helped you to clear SSB.
coming to the very first part of SSB, that is our screening part. So in the very first week, all the assessors that are here present have focused on more on the screening part. That is very essential. And after that, the GTO part, especially sir, which they trained us how to tie the knots and how to find solutions in different type of scenarios. Even if the GTO sir giving you जो टास्क है वो हार्ड करते जाते हैं, देन ऑल्सो हाउ विल यू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशंस. सो दैट वाज द बेसिकली फॉर द GTO पार्ट. फॉर द इंटरव्यू पार्ट, द नानू Kodak ma'am which teaches you about your personality, that your individual personality is only yours, that only will reflect there. You see, there is a psych test and after that there is another test which is GTO, third one is interview. They are gonna see a consistency in your behavior. That consistency will only come if you're honest with you. So that honesty is something which they taught us here. So this is something you would like to have in yourself only.
Any questions you want to ask him, you can ask. Please.
सर स्क्रीनिंग में जो फर्स्ट स्टेज होता है और उसमें जो ग्रुप डिस्कशन है उसमें आपने किन किन चीज़ों के बारे में ध्यान रखा व्हाइल डिस्कसिंग, बिकॉज बहुत सारे होते हैं एंड वी हैव टू पुट आवर
Speak louder. I'm not hearing.
अपना पॉइंट भी आगे रखना होता है.
Yes.
तो वो आपने कैसे डील किया और आपका क्या उस टाइम पर माइंडसेट था व्हाइल ग्रुप डिस्कशन?
Well, in my 4AFS in Varanasi, there was a group of 15, and in that group, when the discussion started, everyone stepped in to the discussion, and there was a total chaos. So I tried to put up my point, but obviously when everybody is speaking, nobody will listen to each and all. Then the group is divided into two parts. That is the moment when you can take part in.